today is about equations involving radicals. This maths is intended for grades 8 and 9. So I have here number 1. Square root of 6x is equal to 18. But the direction says that it should be solved and checked. So to eliminate this radical sign, I have to apply SBS. What is SBS stands for? SBS is squaring both sides. So I have to square both sides. So 18 will be squared also. So this will be eliminated. So this will be 6x is equal to 18 squared. So what is 18 squared? So 18 squared is equal to 18 times 18. So 18 times 18. So 8 times 8 is 64. Carry 6. 1 times 8 is 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 times 8 is 8. And then 1 times 1 is 1. Then we have to add this one. Bring down 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry 1. So this is 324. So 6x equals 324. Now to solve the value of x, I have to divide this one by 6 both sides. So 6 will be crossed out. So x. So what is 324 divided by 6? Okay, I will use 32. So how many 6 are there in 32? So I have to estimate. So this will be 5. Because 5 times 6 is equal to 30. And then I have to subtract this one. So 32 minus 30 is 2. And then bring down 4. And how many 6 are there in 24? So I have 4. So 4 times 6 is 24. And then subtract. That will be equal to 0. So therefore, 324 divided by 6 is 54. So this is now the solution set of square root of 6x equals 18. Okay. So I have to check this one. Okay. So to check this one is substitute in the given equation, which is the value is 54. So I have to substitute 6 times 54. And then this will be equal to 18. So what is 54 times 6? So 4 times 6 is 24. Carry 2. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2, that is 324. So this is square root of 324 equals 18. So as what we know that 18 times 18, this will be 64, carry 6. 1 times 8 is 8 plus 6 is 14. Then 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. Then bring down 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry 1. 324. So, square root of 324 is equal to 18. So, 18 is equal to 18. So, therefore, our value of x is correct since we come up with the same equality. So, I will proceed to the second one, number 2. Number 2 is 16 is equal to square root of 7x over 3 plus 4. So for me, I have to transpose this one and then 16 will be transposed to the right. So this will be square root of 7x over 3 plus 4 equals 16. And then I have to copy this one. Square root of 7x over 3 is equal to 16. Then I have to transpose positive 4 to the right, and this will become negative 4. So square root of 7x over 3 is equal to 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay, to eliminate the radical sign or the radical symbol, I have to apply SBS or squaring both sides. Okay, radical sign will be eliminated. So I have 7x over 3 is equal to 12 squared. So what is 12 squared? So 12 squared means 12 times 12. And we know that 12 times 12 equals 144. So this will be 7x over 3 is equal to 144. Since there is no denominator, so I have to put 1 as a denominator. And then apply cross multiplication. So I have here 7x is equal to, and then cross multiplication, multiply by 144 and 3. So 144 times 3. So this is 12, carry 1. 12 plus 1, 13, carry 1. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1, 4. So 144 times 3 is 300. Am I right? 342? So let us check first. 144 times 3. 12, carry 1. 12, 13, carry 1. So 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So I'm wrong. It should be 432. It should be 432. And then I have to divide both sides by 7. Cross out 7. So x will be 432 over 7. Now what is 432 over 7? So I need to divide this one. 432 over 7. So 432 divided by 7. So I will use 43. So how many 7s are there in 43? So estimate 6. 6 times 7 is 42. And then subtract. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Bring down 2. Then next is how many 7 are there in how many 7 are there in 12? Only 1. So 1 times 7, 7. And then subtract 12 minus 7 is 5. So I have here 61, 5 over 7. Now, the problem is, this is a mixed number. So how I can make this one as improper fraction? So this will be over 7. And then I have to multiply 61 times 7. This is 7. This is 6 times 7 is 42. And then plus 5. This is 12. Carry 1. This is 3. And then 432. So I have here 432 over 7. Okay? Since this is 432 over 7, the same as what I get in here, so I need to check. I need to check if this is correct. So, the given equation is 16. Square root of 7x over 3 and then plus 4. Okay. So, I have to substitute the value of x in the given equation. So, this will be 16. Square root of 7. The value of x is 432 over 7 over 3. And then, this will be plus 4. So, this will be crossed out. So, 16 is equals to square root of 432 over 3 plus 4. So, what is 432 over divide by 3? So, I will use the first digit. So, 4. So, how many 3 are in 4? It's only 1. And then multiply, that is 3. Then subtract 4 minus 3 is 1. And then bring down 3. So, I have here the new dividend is 13. So, the question is how many 3 are there in 13? So, this will be 4. So, 4 times 3 is 12. And then subtract 3 minus 2 is 1. Then bring down 2. Now, 12. And then, how many 3 are there in 12? So, I have also 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And then subtract, that will be 0. So, I have here 16 is equal to square root of 144 plus 4. So this will be 16. And what is the square root of 144? So let's try 12 times 12. This is 4 and this is 2. Multiply 1 by 2, that is 2, and then 1 times 1 is 1, and then sum up this one. So bring down 4, so you get 4 in here and then 1. So therefore this will be 12 and then plus 4. So 16 is equals to, what is 12 plus 4? This will be 16. So therefore the answer for number 2 is correct because 16 is equal to 16. So therefore the solution set for number 2 is 432 over 7. That's all.